Hello, I'm driving whilst doing this video. Don't worry, my eyes are on the road, so excuse me if I'm not looking at you very much. I've been rushing around, I've been away on holiday, so this week has been difficult to get a video out to you. And I just want to give you an example of a little part of my day. So I'm in the car and I'm driving to a salon that's about 30 minutes away from me, and the lady there that owns the salon used to work in retail, trained and got qualified in permanent makeup, tattooing of makeup, about 3 years ago, and she's now doing wonderfully, has set up her own little salon in this town that I'm going to, and she's asked me to come on over because I do some specialist treatments that she's not yet learned to do. So she's got some clients and I'm going over to do some removal of veins and moles on some ladies' faces. And yeah, so I thought I'd just do a video, show you that I'm en route to her. And this is another avenue that is really good for permanent makeup when you qualify in permanent makeup, because it allows you to learn treatments such as vein removal, mole removal, Botox, fillers. Oh my gosh, so many avenues that you can go down. And this is a prime example of somebody that's calling me in first, but she's also going to train in these treatments and add those to her list of already expanding services that she offers. So it's not all stuck in a salon day in, day out, doing the same thing over and over again. It's also opportunities to go out and visit new salons and have new adventures, meet new people, and yeah, it's just nice and easy. Anyway, that's me for now. So I've arrived at the salon. I'm going in now, a nice little drive. So a couple of hours in here and then back in the car. See you in a bit. Hey, so treatment's done. Literally took me 2 hours.